Today I want to show you how to create new invoices in Clodify system. So we need to log in as an admin. Go to Financials Invoices page and click on Add Invoice button. And here we can add new invoices, so we need to add all of the information about the invoice, the customer, the project of this customer, business that we can add also in the payment method. So if it is, for example, another of a business, it can be like any other payment method. So we can add this one. Date start. I need October, so I will add this October 2020. The subtotal. Any note that you want to add. And you can save your invoice. Invoice has been added. And we can see now, here's this invoice. It is new. So that's how we can add invoices in Clodify system.